an Arabic dessert, kunafa. So first I am going to show you how the dough for kunafa is made. So for that I have taken 1 cup of maida. For that half cup of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of water. We will grind it into a smooth paste. Then we will strain this. We will pour this into a pouch and cut at the bottom a thin hole. Don't make it a big hole, otherwise we'll get the dough thick, which we don't want. So once the pan is hot enough, we'll pour this into circles. We want a very thin dough, so don't make it thick ones. So this will automatically leave the pan. That's when we know that the dough is ready. We'll take this out. This way we are going to make the whole batter. So once it's ready, we'll cover this with the cloth and keep it for a day. That would give you a better kunafa dough. So this I kept for a day, and you can hear it's nice crunchy. You have to crumble this. Don't crumble it into a powder. So now we'll add melted butter. I have taken 100 grams of butter. You can even add ghee as an alternative. So mix this. Then keep it aside. Now for making the filling, we are going to take 2 tablespoons corn flour, half tablespoon maida, then 1 cup of milk. Don't add 1 cup at the same time. Just pour little bit, whisk it. We don't want our cream to be lumpy. So first add little bit, mix this, and then add whole milk. Then we'll keep it on the gas and keep on whisking it. So this is how the texture we want. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons sugar into it. Mix this. You have to keep on whisking it, otherwise it will stick at the bottom. So once the sugar is melted into it, we are going to add our cream cheese into it. So I have taken 50 grams of cheese. You have to mix this. So mix this. Once the cream cheese melts, immediately off the flame. So our filling is ready. Now we'll start assembling our kunafa. For that I have taken a pan. I'm going to grease this with the butter. Then we have to keep the kunafa dough at the bottom. Don't keep any space in between, otherwise the filling will flow at the bottom part of the pan. Now we'll pour our filling. You have to evenly spread our filling. Now we'll keep our kunafa dough again on the top. Don't press it hard, otherwise the filling will come on the top. So once this is done, we'll keep the pan on the stove. Just pour some butter on the sides. Once the side part is a brown color, we are going to flip this into other pan. This part is a bit difficult, so just be careful while flipping this. So let the other side also get golden brown. Once it's golden brown, you have to take it in the plate and keep it in the fridge for half an hour to chill. So after half an hour, I'm going to pour this sugar syrup on the top. The sugar syrup is the one which gives sweetness to this dessert. So it's a must. And garnish it with some pista. The cheese lovers, you're gonna love it. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed, and click the bell icon to get the notification for our channel. Share it with your friends and family as well. Stay tuned for more recipes, guys. Thank you for watching.